What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 17th. Let's get right to the very first article. CBS News, what's behind the push for a fourth stimulus check package? If you didn't know, there's a petition with over 2.2 million signatures, including legislators, congressmen, and women. Chuck Schumer, Nancy Pelosi, Kamala Harris. A lot of people signed a petition urging and actually asking Joe Biden to sign into law a fourth stimulus check package. Not only that, but they're also asking Joe Biden to include reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. Guys, we have right here this article: $3 million in stimulus check money is only 2 months away, officials told allegedly North Huntington. If we look right here, North Huntington will get about $3 million from the Federal American Rescue Plan for a variety of public projects. But allegedly, I have to say the word alleged, they're talking about doing, stimulus checks, guys, direct stimulus checks. If you weren't aware, if you watched my last video right here, I talk about it. Basically, Joe Biden's actually signed into law, just like I said he would, a fourth and fifth stimulus check package. But this time in the stimulus check, instead of giving the money straight from the IRS into your bank accounts, into your mailboxes directly, he's actually giving the money to your legislators, your state. It's going state by state basis. What does this mean? Your mayor, your legislator, whatever, in your local county, whatever, state you reside in, every state is getting money. And then your local, state governments, your mayor, whoever it may be, inside the state, it's different from state to state. They can choose who qualifies, who's legible, who's illegible, and what stipulations actually qualify, who doesn't qualify to actually receive a fourth stimulus check, and the amounts. A lot of people said, some people told me 600, 1,000, 1,400. It's all correct. It's not like before for every single state, every single person getting the same amount of money. No, every single state can make their own rules, can set their own amounts. Everything is different this time. I want to take 2 seconds out this video before I go any further in this article, before I read the details, before I summarize them. I want to let you know, every single day, daily, check my channel. I post one video every single day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards, literally giving away over $23,000 of free money. How does this work? I actually give away free Amazon gift card codes, which you could use to buy things, cash out, buy goods from Amazon. To enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do every single day in every video I post daily, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment your favorite color. When this video hits 500 likes, that's the goal. Share this on social media, hit that like, leave a comment. When this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking the winner from the comments. Now, with that being said, with that out the way, let's get back to the very first article. The IRS has issued over 165 million third stimulus checks. Basically, many people, it took weeks to receive $1,400 stimulus checks. So if you didn't receive it, definitely contact the IRS directly. Despite the financial assistance, millions of Americans remain in financial distress. A lot of people still have bills, guys, still have debt, a lot of things to pay for. A lot of people are still trying to climb out of debt, climb out of poverty. A lot of people need a hand up, not a hand out. Comment below if you support a fourth stimulus check. Also, comment below if you actually prefer it being a one-time or a reoccurring monthly stimulus check. How much do you think it should be? 600, 1,000, 1,200, 400? I'm very interested and genuinely curious to see what you guys support, what you guys think. I read every single comment. I can't reply to every single comment because I get every single comment from every single videos. I have over 1,000 videos, literally thousands of comments every single day. I can't reply to everyone, but I genuinely take the time to read, heart, and I try to reply as many people as possible. For many people, in short, the latest round of 1,400 checks may not last. A lot of people have used this money already. And if we take a look right here, 6 in 10 people say that $1,400 third stimulus check went to bills or some kind of debt. People are still behind. If we take a look right here, still living paycheck to paycheck. People are still struggling. People just want to get out of poverty, get out of debt, pay off bills, pay off debt, whatever it may be. And a lot of people, 2.2 million people, signed a petition asking for a fourth stimulus check. You already know California, New Jersey, New York, they're already receiving money. And right here, allegedly, $3 million in stimulus money is only 2 months away. 2 months away. What does this mean? Hopefully in 2 months, maybe end of June, early to mid-July, you can actually expect to receive a fourth stimulus check, direct stimulus check package. I have to say the word alleged because unlike other YouTubers, just because somebody says allegedly is 2 months away, I'm not going to report 100% confirmed. No, I don't lie to you. I don't tell you BS. I do not manipulate you. I don't tell you what you want to hear. That's not what I do on my channel. On my channel, I post daily videos. I keep you guys updated every single day. Not only that, I give away free Amazon gift cards, free money every single day, 100% honest. You guys are adults. I'm going to treat you like adults. You deserve to know the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Please hit the like button. Please share this on social media. If you have a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, please support this. Every single day I give away money. Enter the giveaway, daily videos. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment your favorite color. If your favorite color is red, comment a red emoji if you want, green, blue, whatever it is. Also, if you want to support these daily giveaways, if you want to actually help me, if you want to become a member, please go to my channel, hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, less than $1. All I do is I take that money, I put it together, I put it in a fund, and that's the fund I actually pull out of and I use to continue doing daily Amazon gift card giveaways. All that money is literally from you guys. It's like a raffle. You literally spend 99 cents. Somebody else in need, it might be you, will get $100. We'll get, $50 every single day. Not only that, but as a member, if you hit join, look at the comment section. You get a diamond next name that changes colors. You get members only emojis. You get members only diamond. You get members only community tab. Exclusive pictures, videos, polls, live streams only for members, guys. All this actually goes to someone else in need. Every single video goes straight to the members first. I actually do a live stream, and then after the live stream, people can ask me questions, interact, email me. Then after the live stream, it actually becomes a video afterwards. I have shirts right here, Trump 2024, impeach Pelosi. All this actually goes to the members. Hit this white join button, hit that like, be subscribed, comment, daily videos, daily giveaway. That's it for today, everyone. Happy Monday. Have a great day. Peace.